In this video, everyone, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can go ahead and rename files on your SharePoint site. So to rename files, it's really easy. You just have to come over and highlight the file that you want to make changes to. You can click on the ellipsis, which brings up more actions. And then from here, we can scroll down until we get rename. And then from here, we can go ahead and rename our file. So this file just details employee benefits. And we actually created this file from scratch in another video. So employee benefits. I'll go ahead and click on it here. And then you can see you went ahead and updated the name. And there should also be an option once you have the file open. You come over here, you can actually change the file name as well if you have a Word document. And I think it's the same for spreadsheets and stuff like that too. And in case you guys missed it, we created this file from scratch. So to do that, you just have to come over to New. And then once you select Word document or Excel, it should add the document here. And then when you click on it, you can just come in and then make changes as needed.